Hey there! People often ask what is a CRM system and how to use it. A CRM system stands for Client Relationship Management and is a system that you as a business owner use to streamline the process of interacting with your client. In other words, a CRM system is an automated method of sales management that can effectively conduct both individual orders and big complex ones. Human memory is not perfect, but with a CRM system, any information about meeting messages, contracts, orders will always be on hand. A CRM system will also allow you to get sales analytics that matters, like showing the employee efficiency, track conversions, view your sales funnel, make predictions, and automate business processes of your company. Indeed, information about each transaction will be securely stored and you can return to any stage of cooperation with a customer whenever you want. Now, let's dig a little bit deeper and get to know the four basic functions of a CRM. First, automation. In most cases, CRM systems are used for automating sales process. For example, when a lead arrives to your business, or someone requests a callback, or someone signed up for a free demo, that person becomes the lead, and that initiates the automated process of interacting with that person. They could receive a welcome message from the CRM system, and based on various triggers, they may receive different kind of messages, or the system may send a notification to a salesperson to give that prospect a call. CRM systems are not only good for automating the process of interacting with new prospects only, it is also a very good tool for re-engaging with your existing clients from the past. And this is actually something that will allow you to improve your retention rate. Second, centralization. Back in the day, sales team or business owners would have the information about the prospects scattered around all kinds of platforms. Some of this information would be in the email inbox, some others in the calendar, or on the cloud, or simply on notepads. The good thing about CRM systems is that they centralize everything that is related with the sales or the lead in one single place. Using a CRM, sales team can segment their prospects according to different criteria and parameters. Consider the needs of potential customers based on their personal data. Complete the customer portrait with information from social networks, or simply communicate with them properly. Third, mobility. Modern CRM systems are often stored in the cloud and provided as SaaS services. They are easily accessible from wherever you are in the world. All you need to access your CRM is a web browser and an internet connection. That's all. Fourth and finally, unification. A CRM provides you with a unified information environment for sales. And this is a lot easier for business owners to train salespeople to work with one single environment instead of training them to work with a lot of tools. In general, systems such as the CRM are easier to onboard and easy to use. There are a lot of CRM systems currently available in the world. Some of them are industry specific, like for photography businesses or for industrial businesses, and some are industry leaders, such as Salesforce or HubSpot. So how does Workium compete with them? 6 simple reasons. 1. Flexibility. With Workium, there is only the data that you need, and this differs greatly from one industry or another. Unlike others, where you simply hide or show fields, in Workium, you can actually add only the fields you need. This is very important for business owners who only want to see data that matters and that help them make the right decisions. Second, reporting. With Workium, you can create all kinds of reports, summary functions, bar charts, pie charts, or powerful pivoted grouped data such as the following. The sky is your limit. Others offer a lot of useful reports too, but few gives you the liberty to extract the type of information you can with Workium. Third, usability. Workium allows you to manipulate your sales data using different views, like a grid that offers you a spreadsheet experience, or Kanban boards that allows you to overview your sales pipeline, or calendar where you can plot and see your data with a time dimension. Fourth, integration. With Workium, you can have multiple tools running all at the same time in the same place, and most importantly, they are all connected with each other. You don't have to buy a subscription for each cloud tool anymore. On Workium, you can have your own task management, expense tracking, and many other tools all sync together. 5. Access permissions. With Workium, you can craft the right permissions for each of your employees. Make sure that they see, edit, export, or create only the type of data they are allowed to do. In a competitive sales team, where each representative is very territorial of his leads and deals, this could come in handy to keep everyone happy. 6. Automation. With Workium, you can automate anything using our powerful engine. You can trigger any type of actions from 3 comprehensive events. 1. A new record is created, like a new lead has been added. 2. Record edited, like a lead that has changed status. Or a time trigger, like 3 days after a lead has been added to your CRM. From there, you can either create a new record, such as creating a deal, or modify linked records, or simply send a notification either on system or to an external email. And to sweeten the deal, you can also add a condition to make it smarter. Like, send a notification to the lead owner 3 days after its creation and only if its status is still new. Workium is the perfect CRM for your needs. It is tailor-made to cater to your business, and it has all the powerful features of the industry leaders, but with less than $1 a day. Want to learn more? Quickly sign up. It is free up to 500 leads registered on your CRM.